What's up friends, welcome to my Technodexterous YouTube channel. I'm back with another video on Python basics. In this video, we are going to learn about Python variables. Without any further ado, let's start. What is variable? Variables are nothing but the location names in a memory where the data is stored. Variables are containers to store and hold the data. For example, school bag containing books and notebooks. Here, school bag is a variable name and books and notebooks are items. Let's understand the concept of variable visually. Let's assume we have a box and we want to fill the box with the wooden cubes. Let's fill it one by one. Here, the box which contains the cubes is nothing but a variable and the cubes are items or values. So, in similar way, we can define variable in Python as follows. Here, box is equal to inside list cube1, cube2, cube3 and so on. Variable naming. There are some rules to define variable names. Let's learn them one by one. Variable name should start with lowercase letter or underscore but should not start with number. For example, class name is equal to SSC, marks is equal to 90 are valid variable names. But the variable declared on the second line that starts with 1, so it is not a valid variable name. It will give syntax error. Variable names are case sensitive. Python is case sensitive language, so variable name are also case sensitive. Python keywords should not be used as a variable name. Some of words which are reserved in Python for Python programming purpose. For example, true, not, if, else, class, false and so on. So they should not be used as a variable name. Variable can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. So in this example, first underscore name is a valid variable name, but first and name is not a valid variable name, because we should not use any other special character apart from underscore. Assigning value to the variable. We use assignment operator is equals to sign for assignment. If we want to know what is memory location of variable created by us, then we can use id method on the variable name. Now we have understood the concept of variables in Python, so let's play with them. Let's start defining variables in Python. We are going to use Python inbuilt editor ideally for practical. Go to Windows search and type ideally. Press enter. It will open Python console in front of you. Let's define variable with lowercase characters and underscores. I am defining variable name channel with value Technodexterous. Press enter. In this way we have declared one variable which is a string value. Let's print channel. It got printed. So let's try to define variable with underscores. Press enter. Print school name. Print school name. It got printed. So we have defined variables as per the naming conventions. Let's try to define variable name starting with number. See, we have got syntax error because we are trying to define variable name which start with the number. So we should not define variable name which is starting with number. Let's try defining variable names with Python keywords. I have declared myVar as a variable and I am trying to assign def as a value to it. Def is Python reserved keyword. Let's try to execute. See, we have got syntax error again because we cannot use Python reserved keyword as a variable names. Or we can also try def is equal to 10. See, here we cannot use Python keywords as our variables. As we have already discussed, underscores can be used with Python variable names. Let's try to create variable name with another special characters. I will be using and as a special character to define our variable name first name. Here we are able to create two Python variables correctly. Which are those? First is channel and second is school name. Rest variable names are not valid. We can use type method on variable name to understand what data type of variable is. It is of type string. Let's define another variable with the integers. Let's try to find type of num. Python automatically identifies the variable type. That's why Python is called dynamically typed language. If you know C language, then we need to declare data type of created variable during definition itself. Now we have defined our Python variables. Let's try to find the memory location of them. We will be using id method on the variable names. Press enter. See, here you will be seeing some random number. It is nothing but the memory location of the channel variable created. Let's find out memory location of num. See, both are different numbers. In this way, we have learned what are the Python variables, how to define them, variable name conventions. That's it for now. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I will be creating more videos on Python basics. Let me know your feedback in comments. You can like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.